This tiny mammal was buried alive 5 months ago. It's now entombed in snow. But remarkably, it's alive. It is an Usurian tube-nosed bat, which hibernates in the snow, safe from predators. They manage to survive by slowing down their hearts to 1 beat a minute. In the spring, the bats awake from their long sleep. But their body temperature has dropped to near freezing, and they can't produce sufficient energy to fly until they've warmed up. Intense shivering heats their muscles to 30 degrees Celsius, and their pulse rises from 1 beat a minute to over 300.